Once upon a time, in a dense and vibrant jungle, lived a mighty lion named Leo. Leo was the king of the jungle, feared by all the animals. His roar echoed through the trees, sending shivers down the spines of even the bravest creatures. One day, as the sun cast long shadows on the forest floor, Leo felt a short pang of hunger. It had been days since he had caught a decent meal, and his patience was wearing thin. He decided to set a trap to catch one of the unsuspecting animals that frequently passed by his den. Leo carefully covered a deep pit with branches and leaves, hoping to catch an unlucky creature. He then retreated to a nearby thicket, lying in wait. As luck would have it, a clever fox named Felix was passing through the jungle that very day. Felix was known for his wits and keen sense of observation. As he trotted along, he noticed the odd arrangement of leaves and branches on the ground. Being suspicious by nature, he approached the area cautiously and quickly realized it was a trap. A sly grin spread across Felix's face as he devised a plan to outsmart the lion. He knew that Lee was watching from somewhere nearby. Felix began to speak loudly to himself, knowing that Liu would hear. Ah, what a beautiful day in the jungle, Felix said, stretching and yawning. I think I will take a nap right here in this lovely spot. With that, Felix lay down near the edge of the pit, pretending to doze off. Leo, hidden in the bushes, watched intently, his mouth watering at the thought of an easy meal. As Felix feigned sleep, he kept one eye slightly open, observing Leo's every move. Unable to resist any longer, Leo crept out of his hiding place and approached the fox stealthily. Just as Leo was about to pounce, Felix sprang to his feet and darted away, leading Leo straight into the cleverly concealed pit. With a mighty crash, Leo fell into the deep pit, unable to climb out. He roared in frustration, realizing he had been tricked by the clever fox. Felix peered over the edge of the pit, a twinkle of mischief in his eyes. Oh, mighty Leo, it seems you have fallen into your own trap, he exclaimed. Perhaps next time you will think twice before setting such a devious snare. Liu, humbled and trapped, nodded slowly. You are indeed clever, Flex. I understand you. You will help me out of this pit. Felix pondered for a moment before replying. I will help you, Liu, but only if you promise to use your strength wisely and fairly. You are the king of this jungle, after all, and a true king should lead with wisdom and justice. Leo, recognizing the wisdom in Felix's words, agreed. I promise, Felix. From now on, I will use my power to protect and guide the animals of this jungle rather than I instill fear. Satisfied with Leo's promises, Felix gathered some vines and, with the help of other animals, pulled the mighty lion out of the pit. True to his word, Leo became a just and wise ruler, and the jungle thrived under his reign. From that day forward, Leo and Felix became close friends. Their bond a testament to the power of cleverness and wisdom over brute strength. And so the jungle remained a harmonious place where all animals lived in peace and respect. The moral of the story: true strength lies not in physical power but in wisdom, cleverness, and the ability to lead with fairness and compassion.